Welcome to ETP029 using videos for your classes. I am Professor Burgess and I will be joined later by Dr. Billy Jones and Dr. David Perdian, and we will be facilitating this 5-part series course for you. In order to get started, I've already posted a couple of welcome videos, but I just wanted to show you a screen capture video and one of the ways that we can use videos in our classes. I'd like to give you a brief walkthrough of our D2L course shell so you're familiar with where the different contents are, the different things that need to be completed for this course. So here, many of you are already familiar with our D2L course shell. I am here in student view to kind of give you an idea of how to move around within this course shell and find everything that you need to get your 10 professional development credits. Here we are at our home page. We will be meeting at least once a week. We have 2 meetings scheduled per week, but please remember it is the same meeting in both days. So we have Mondays and Wednesdays. You only have to attend one of those 2 days. We just scheduled 2 different meetings so that we could accommodate more teaching schedules. The link to our Zoom meeting, we will be meeting in the Zoom platform, and as you can see here in the welcome announcement, when you open up the homepage, you see our Zoom meeting link. This will be the same link for all of the meetings. We have a meeting ID and passcode. If that is easier for you, you can use that in Zoom as well. We will be using this same link throughout the entire course. In order to get started, I personally in D2L like to go directly through the content tool. So I'm going to come up here to the blue toolbar, click on content. We're going to open up our welcome folder. So I have a quick little video here, just kind of welcoming you to the class. We have just a really brief, here's another link to the weekly meetings. If you'd like to go through this link, it is the same link that was in the announcements. Letting you know here that Module 1 and 2 are both mandatory. Module 1, we're going to be kicking off the series. That'll be happening this afternoon. Module 2 is about using screen capturing, the type of video I have here. Module 3 is optional. It is a more advanced version of Module 2. We'll be going into things like lighting, moving away from the computer and maybe shooting with your iPhone, going outside, things like that. If you are interested in doing more than just screen capturing, we strongly urge you to make sure that you attend Module 3 as well. Module 4, we highly recommend, but we also recognize that not everyone is going to be using Adobe Premiere Rush. We selected Adobe Premiere Rush for our editing software because we know that everyone at the college has access to it through the Adobe Creative Cloud software that the college provides. It is also available. It works well on both Mac and PC platforms. We will be talking about those 2 different platforms in this course series as well. So please make sure that if you are interested in learning how to edit using Adobe Premiere Rush, you're going to want to come to Module 4. If you use different software, you might already have some editing skills, you use something else, that is perfectly acceptable. You are welcome to do that as well. Module 5 is optional. This is for people who are getting used to the editing software. Maybe you've run into a glitch or you don't know how to do something. You were working on your final project and something was getting in the way. We will be there. It's an open workshop for us to help you out with your video and work through the process with you. In order to receive all 10 of the professional development credits that this series offers, you do have to complete a final project, which consists of your own video that you will create throughout the 5 meetings that we're going to be having during the month of November. You can access the directions for that and understand what is involved in that particular project by clicking on Assessments and Assignments. We will also provide a link in Module 2 when we get started. You can see, of course, I have not submitted this yet, but we click on our link here, and this will give us the directions, everything that has to be included in your final project. We will also be assisting you in creating a Google account and YouTube account in order for you to be able to store all of your videos. We ask that all you need to provide us with is a link to your actual video. You don't have to download it into the assignment tab here. You can just provide us a link to it, and then we can go and take a look at your video. If you'd like to get more content in what's happening in Unit 1, over on the left, Module 1 is already available for you. Just click on Module 1 and we have some submodules. We have a quick video from the infamous Mike Wesch. Many of you may have seen this already, but he talks about getting over that fear of being in front of the camera and creating videos and how videos can be powerful for both your synchronous and asynchronous classes. We do have a Module 1 discussion assignment, and again, the link for the live classes is here as well. Down here is an example of a video that's being used for a class already here at Broward College. It's a video that was created for microbiology students to be able to complete a skill before they come to class. It's one of the ways that videos can be used in your classroom. We then have getting started with YouTube. So if you miss the assessment or you miss something during our meeting this week, you'll be able to get into YouTube. Everything that you need is available here for getting started with YouTube. And then here's a link to the Module 1 discussion assignment about making your first video. We look forward to seeing you in all of the live sessions. If there's anything that we can do to assist you or to help you navigate through our D2L course shell, let us know. Again, looking forward to having everybody in class, and we'll see you in class.